Hey, good morning. So as I promised in another video, I would do some more hip stuff, specifically glutes. And this is going to be a little bit quicker than normal because I'm going to give you a real-time actual workout with the foam roller for your glutes, because that's another essential part of doing your hips and strengthening them and getting better mobility. So first you get a foam roller, and then you sit on it like I'm sitting, and then you put your, I'm also on the left side, so you put your left hand behind you, and then if you can, cross your left leg over your right, and then massage. I go all the way back to my lower back because I also have issues with that location. And you just want to do this about 8 to 10 times. Now, if you can't get your leg up like this, you can always just do a little more modified. You can do it like this. It's not as deep, but until you can work your way up to it. So you want to do, yeah, like I said, 8 to 10 of these, just easy peasy. And you really kind of have to find that spot, and when you, like right there, when you just hit it, you'll find that tightness. And if you're like me, the minute that you start doing it, you'll start feeling a rush of energy, because it's holding a lot of tension and a lot of tightness. And then I'm gonna switch over to the other side. And also didn't bring my lighting or any of that, or my tripod, so that's why I say today's a little informal, but you get that. So, my left side is a little bit, my right side is a little bit tighter. And so I'm gonna roll and really look for that spot, okay? Now, this is really good to do in first thing in the morning, especially if you are gonna go for a walk, and you can also do it post working out. So today I'm doing it post cardio because I did 20 minutes of the rowing machine in the gym, and I did some stretches before that. So now I'm gonna foam roll my IT band and my glutes this morning. So yeah, anyway, you just wanna kind of do it like this. And again, if you need that modification, just go like across your leg, your ankles. You'll still get it. It may not just be as intense. It's one of my friends called it an instrument of pain. I look at it as an instrument of the relief of pain, because this foam roller helps relieve my lower back pain too, because of as I mentioned in another video, the lower back can be affected by the tight hips. So anyway, just want to do 8 to 10 of these. And just be very careful when you do this, because this thing can get out from under you, so be very careful. And then, there you have it. Now I'm going to do 2 more sets of this, but you don't need to see me do all 3 sets. But I can teach you this one-on-one if you like. You can follow along with the videos. And I'm also going to maybe post this one. I might do a 90-90 hip rotation as well, because I did that this morning before I got on the rowing machine. So just to get myself warmed up and get those muscles loosened and everything. So I'm a little out of breath because of everything that I've been doing. I just did this amazing ab workout on a TRX, and it was pretty challenging. So with that, I will say, see you later.